studying electronics level 3 extended diploma in Gower College, and doing it at a college level, it's really fun and enjoyable. The skills I've learned are very hands-on and practical. I think I was put forward for this award because of all the help I give my friends in college. We've been part of the ESW project, and that's taken up a lot of our time in college. I was the team leader of my team, and we ended up winning Best Working Prototype. I'm very hands-on, and once I put my mind to something, I'll do it, and I won't stop until it's finished.
Corey's dedication and commitment to his studies really sort of raised him above the other students in the group. It's evident the determination and work ethic that he has, and the positive impact it's having on his learning journey.
Even though I've taken this path, I'd still like to go to uni and better myself again. You know, you can never know too much about the subjects you love.